what makes East High School so special is how we embrace our uniqueness, and we embrace the different cultures, and we immerse ourselves and the students around us in the different cultures. So it's, you know, all students feel welcome here, all students are welcome here, and it's a really supportive, welcoming environment that we have at East High School.
A lot to East. It really shows the support of everyone and all the mixing of cultures and like celebrating other people's and learning new things every day and just learning about the world basically.
I mean, I think it represents our community here at East. Everyone's cheering, everyone's enjoying this like amazing show, and I think it just shows how diverse and how together and united we really are. So unity and diversity, and I think that's a perfect title for it.